Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Gone and got myself another project. I haven't even finished the Mini yet. I mean, there it is. All I've got to do left is a bit of body work, but I found myself an Audi S4 V8. Needs a bit of work done to it, but it was only, well, he was up 15 and I knocked him down to just under 12. How are you meant to say no to an Audi V8? So let's just show you what I've got. Here we go. It's not that bad. I mean, arches full of rust, but for the price of replacements I won't even bother trying to repair. I'll just be buying some replacements instead. Rest of the bodywork, I mean, it needs polishing up. Quite clearly needs cleaning because it's been parked under a tree or something. Come round this side. It's got the standard Avis alloys on it. More tree. This is the worst bit of the bodywork. Again, this arch will have to come off, be replaced. Let's take a look inside. Oh, lovely leather. Recaro buckets, all electric. Okay, they're a bit minging at the moment, but they'll come up clean. Here we go, the usual S-spec interior. Look at that, it's even got an original Audi phone holder and the original Audi Nav Plus system. It's got the usual saggy headline issue, but I've done that before on a old RS6. On any other car it's a pain in the ass, but on the Avant it's easy because you just undo all the side trim, pull it out through the boot. So move around to the back. Again, nice leather. Doesn't really look like anyone sat in here apart from a dog. Got some spider's webs, but then it's been sat for so long, that's not surprising. And we've got the weird aluminium strips. Let's come round to my favourite part of these. Some people don't like these engines, but the exhaust note just makes up for everything. Oh, the Audi BBK V8 engine. Okay, they have trouble with the timing chains, and this one apparently hasn't had it done. It's done just over 100,000 miles, so I think I'll pull the engine out. He says casually, although it means taking off the entire front end of the car and undoing the prop shaft, taking off the front drive shaft, pulling the engine out, dismantling the gearbox off it, because the timing chains, I mean, are down the back. You've got to pull it all apart, and then for a full timing chain kit, which is the proper Audi stuff, not cheap Chinese stuff, £1,500. That's the timing chains, tensioners, all new seals, the Vanos rebuilds, everything else all comes in the kit. So that'll take some time. I think someone's dog's being killed. It's definitely going to need a new battery because that needed jumping. At least with the arches as well, taking those off, as you can see. They're just bolted on. So I think what I'll do now is give it a good wash and then see what state the bodywork's underneath all this tree and spiderweb grub. It's washing time. happy, admittedly. It's not a full-on valet. Does look nicer though. The arches didn't blow apart, just took off a bit of paint there. And under there, took off the edge. Rear arches are fine. Obviously I can't see lack appeal at the moment because it's still wet. That rear arch, nothing happened with the pressure washing, but oh, pressure washer's blown straight through. This arch is officially scrap. Well, I knew that everywhere anyway, but this just confirmed it. So, all in all, I'm quite happy so far. But then I haven't started dismantling anything yet. So, I'm just going to finish the Mini off. So there'll be a video about that soon. And then we'll get cracking on dismantling this. Finding all the horrors. Hopefully not many. And the big plan is to get it back to factory condition. There's not many of these bad boys left. So if you enjoy what you're seeing, want to see how I get on with this project, subscribe below, give us a like, and I'll see you next time.